Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to make this decorative cube out of some things from Dollar Tree. First you'll need one of these foam dice, some silver spray paint, and a box of thumb tacks. This is completely dry, and now I'm going to add the tacks. Start with the corner, and I have them overlap just a little bit. If you make a mistake, correct it, no problem. Try and get them to overlap a little bit. Just keep going. Try not to let any of the dye show, but I spray painted it silver just in case. Okay, here it is. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.